In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a payment method from your Facebook ad account. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go here to your Meta business page. So to do that, you want to go to business.facebook.com. Now you'll be redirected here. So in the left-hand side, you want to scroll down until you find billing and payment settings. So click on here. Now here, just select payment methods. And in my case, I haven't added a payment method yet. So if you have added your payment method, you should see the payment method right here. And in order to remove that payment method, you can see a three dots icon just beside the payment method. So you want to click that and it will open up a drag down menu. Now from there, you can simply hit remove and that's it. So that is how you remove your payment method from your Facebook ad account. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.